How to add customer invoices in Vision ERP. Welcome to Vision ERP. In this video, we'll walk you through how to add a customer invoice, step by step. First, go to the main dashboard and click on Customer Invoices. Here, you'll see the complete invoice list interface. All previously created invoices will appear, including details like invoice number, date customer name, total invoice value, paid amount. It even shows the remaining balance, whether it's fully paid, partially paid, or not paid at all. Now let's create a new invoice. Click on Add Customer Invoice. A new interface will open. On the upper side, there's an auto-generated invoice number. You can now change the invoice date, add the customer number, select the customer name or number. This also includes important fields like beneficial name TRN number and an optional comment section. Next, you can choose the salesman name if you want to link the invoice to a salesperson. Now select your preferred payment term. Then choose the currency. For example, dirham, euro, US dollar, or any other custom currency you've added in the setup. Let's go with dirham here. After filling out all the required fields, click Continue. Now your invoice shell is created. Scroll down and you'll see a button called Add Line. Click it. A new invoice line interface will appear. From here, select the item. Let's say we choose gear converter, then select the unit, for example, bag. Now enter a brief description or comment. Select the quantity, add the price, and if you want to apply a discount, you can do that as well. If applicable, add VAT or tax if required. As soon as VAT is applied, the total amount will be auto-calculated. Now click Save and your first line item will be added. You can repeat this process to add multiple items. Need to make changes? Simply click on the line and the edit interface will open again. Make your modifications, then either save as draft or go ahead and post it. Once posted, it will move to the financial module, impact the customer's statement, affect inventory, and show in your trial balance, profit and loss reports, etc. Let's post this invoice. Now you'll see invoice number 406 is listed on top. Currently, there are no comments. You can still add those if needed. You'll also see total number of invoices, paid amount, remaining balance, status, not paid. Once an invoice is posted, it becomes locked. No more edits allowed unless your workflow permits it. If a user with proper authority chooses to unpost the invoice, all financial entries will be rolled back and status will change to renew. You can then make changes, reapprove it, and proceed as per your workflow. And that's it. Your invoice is successfully posted and recorded in Vision ERP.